Hi, Mike Janison again. Thanks for visiting our factory showroom floor. I wanted to talk today a little bit about my involvement with you in developing your kiosk project. I want you to know that when I talk to you on the phone, I am taking an active role in helping you create a piece of furniture that's going to be extraordinary. And we use forward thinking, we do problem solving. We try to take an active role in asking you and finding out more from you what you're doing. And oftentimes we come up with some great ideas that you would never expect. So when you call in, it's a collaborative experience, it's a team effort, and we take your side and we're on your side to help you figure things out. So you don't have to have all the answers when you call in. Oftentimes we come up with 90% of the answers. I had a customer call today, in fact, as an example, and asked me about an internet kiosk that he wanted to put an internet interface in his apartment lobbies. And I told him this Boulderline kiosk, which is on our homepage sometimes, or used to be, was what I call a modular kiosk. And it's not only a great kiosk, functional, ergonomic, stylish, but it has many looks, and it can evolve with your needs. So as an example for giving you a different look, all we do is take these wood panels, put them on the side, and boom, you have accents that can match your furniture in your office, in your lobby, etc. That's one example. I was telling the customer that this front door right here is something that we put standard on every Boulderline kiosk that we sell. This front door, when it's blank, allows you future changes. So I told this customer today, I said, are you going to need that kiosk for any printing? And he said no, but we might need it for printing 2 years from now. We don't know. And I said, I think some of your customers might need a receipt for what you're doing. And so he said, you know what? I don't know. And I said, you know what? You don't have to know right now. This kiosk right here with this door will allow you to change the functionality 2 years, 3 years, 5 years from now. So I told him, look, let's say 3 years from now you call me and you say, Mike, I got to print on this thing now. We got to buy a whole new kiosk. I'm going to say, do you have that? I'm going to say, do you have that front door on there? And he's going to say, yes. And I'm going to say, all you need to do is send me the printer you're going to use, and I'll make a cutout and fastening hardware inside to help you use that same kiosk for a different function. We'll make a mounting shelf, we'll make bracketry, we'll make the slot for the paper to come out, and boom, all of a sudden you've got a whole new kiosk using the old materials. And so this is what we call forward thinking and try to anticipate the future. Another example is the monitor cutouts. Monitors change over time. We're seeing now a big change in monitors. 17 inches are phasing out. So we will recommend to you the 19-inch widescreens, for example, which are the most popular. You want to buy a cabinet for a monitor that's going to be around 3 years from now, so that if your monitor does go out or if you have to change, get a new monitor, it'll still fit in your kiosk. So coming around the back, I want to show you a few things. As an example, one of the things we also take great care in is making assembly, which will probably be done at your location, user-friendly. So we make it so that anybody can assemble this kiosk. This, as an example, this monitor bracket comes off. We supply screws that align to the back of your monitor. So you take this plate off, screw it onto your monitor, and you put it right back in. It's literally a 5-minute partaking. The back door opens to have a nice open space for all kinds of items. Again, before we make your sale, I find out from you the dimensions of your hardware, the type of hardware, and I'm going to make sure that it's going to work inside your cabinet. So these are all locking doors. These are pretty much airtight, watertight, dustproof enclosures that we make. Whether they're industrial or public use, we make these as protective and secure as possible. This, again, will have a lock on it that only you will have. Coming back around to these other kiosks to show you just a few of the types of accessories that are available that you might not be aware of. Number one is we are able to take a metal and put graphics right onto metal now. It's a new process, or a newer process, that has not been around very long, and I don't know how many kiosk companies are offering this, but this graphic right here that you see is not a sticker. It looks like a sticker, but this is not scratchable. You cannot scratch this off. This is car paint quality. Try and go scratch the paint off your car. That's how easy it is to scratch this off. Okay? This is not expensive. We can go over quotes depending on your volume, etc. Here's another similar idea with the graphics on it. However, I wanted to show you something that's again fairly new. Is you see two colors on this kiosk, and we recently did a job for a movie theaters, and the movie theater had bought kiosks, which again were more than double our price. They were, for everything, they were about $5,000, and we sold it to them for $2,200. And one of the issues that they had was they had these kiosks in there for 2 years, and a lot of them had dings and scratches in the front. And none of these kiosks are vandal-proof. They can be vandal-resistant, like with our paint and with our metal. But what I did for this customer was I offered them a solution that not many people have. And if you look closely on the side, you won't be able to see it probably on the camera. But this piece right here, the silver piece, is actually a faceplate. It's an accessory that you can buy that bolts onto the face of this black cabinet. This cabinet is black, but we bolt this on. Now imagine you have this expensive kiosk in your theater or in whatever facility you're in, and someone vandalizes the front, whether it's inadvertent or somebody scratches with a key, etc. This movie theater now does not have to replace the whole kiosk. They call me, they say, Mike, we need a faceplate replaced for the kiosk. That faceplate covers 90% of this kiosk. And that customer now has a cost-effective, easy, fast way to make that kiosk back to new condition again. These are some of the ways that we try our best to give you something that will last, that will function, that will look great, but will offer a way to avoid some of these potential problems. It is very easy to mess up a kiosk, and we want to make it a good experience for you. Call me today, and we'll go over some of these things. Thank you.